Hello, my name is Vincent. So it's been quite long I'm not showing any video, so Happy New Year to you all. And today actually I'm not to show how I make a coffee with this Picopresso, but I encounter something is after you make a first cup and this container become very hot, okay, so when you do the second time your hand might get burned if without this stand, okay, because you need to hold to press like this. So what I did is I make full use of my portable wood stove, which is the foldable type. Okay, let me show you. So this is the cover I make from wood. This soft pine wood. Okay, basically I measure the size. This is slightly bigger, so you can sit on top, plus the hole according to the diameter of this Picopresso. At the back, I got two wooden big screw on it, so that when I put in, it will stay there rigid and not moving. Okay, I can put a weighing scale inside. Okay, plus this portable wooden stove, it can fold to like this. As you can see, this one is like a mirror. So as you look for the stand for the Picopresso, you will notice it costs about 176 ringgit, or which about maybe $40 to $45 in US dollar. And there's also other version is not from Wacaco. It will cost about I think about $15 to $20, which is made from Vietnam. And there's another one is a metal shape with a C shape, a C channel shape. Also roughly will cost about $10 to $15. So why I find this one good is because this has been sitting in my drawer for some time, which I'm not used. I didn't bring for camping, so I might consider to bring this for camping because I can make espresso coffee when I was at the younger. Okay, so I can enjoy my coffee. So this thing is only cost me about less than $3. Okay, so I will show you a picture of the tool I'm using to cut the hole. Okay, then you can use the sandpaper to rub it, to polish it, to make it more smooth. Then you can do some painting on it, okay, so that it can last longer and waterproof a bit. Okay, so basically this I want to show is because this year probably economy is not quite good, so we need to save some money. Okay, so why not, if you have this item is sit at home or do nothing, why not make full use of it? And some of the mirror, the reflection here, sorry, the water is boiling. Okay, so some of here is like a mirror. You can see underneath of this Picopresso how you extract the coffee. So it's the position is very accurate. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy, and probably I will make one more video is using this metal can, okay, to make for this Picopresso stand. Okay, I hope you will like it. Okay, if you like my channel, please give a like, share and subscribe, so it will help me a lot. Thank you very much. Goodbye.